Hello, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie, and today we are going to be making some cake mix cookies. You know those functions where you get asked to bring something and you're like, I don't have anything, like to make a whole bunch of cookies can be a pain at times, and to make another type of dessert can be a lot of work. But these cookies are so easy and they're so quick to make that you could just pull it out of your cabinet, whip it up, throw it in the oven, and you have cookies. So we're gonna go in the kitchen and we're gonna get started.
So to make the cake box cookies, you will need these ingredients. You'll need 1 box of cake mix. It can be any flavor. You need 2/3 cup of shortening. You will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You need 2 eggs, as well as some sugar. So you're going to start off by taking your cake mix, dump it into your mixer, and then add your shortening. I usually cube this up just so that it mixes up better and smoother. Add your blade to your mixer and then mix it together till the shortening has kind of become more of like crumbly in the cake mix. Once that's done, you're going to add your 2 eggs and your vanilla, and you're just going to mix that together until it is smooth. Now once that's done, you're going to take your cookie dough and you are going to take a cookie sheet that is lined with parchment paper, and then get a spoon out, wet it, and then dip it in some sugar, and then dip your spoon into your cookie dough and pull out a scoop of cookie dough, and then roll your cookie dough in some sugar and then place it onto your cookie sheet. And you're just going to do this over and over again until you have no cookie mix left. Now once you're done with that, you are going to set all your stuff aside, and you are going to put the cookies in an oven that's preheated to 350 degrees, and you're going to bake it for 10 minutes. And when they're done, they're going to come out. They're not going to be really dark and brown. They're going to still be pretty light. At times you almost look like they're not done, but do not overcook them. If they're light and brown on the bottom, then they're good to go. Once the cookies have completely cooled, you can put them on a tray, and then they're ready to go to any kind of party or function or family get-together that you have.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, especially if you love cookies. And for those of you who are new to this channel, there is a red subscribe button right down there. You can hit it, And for those on a mobile device, if you see a little bell down there, you can tap on that and you can receive notifications every time I upload a video, which is usually every Thursday. And for those who would like to comment down below, tell me of some of the quick and easy cookies or desserts that you like to take at the holidays. I have certain things that are like go-to things when I don't have much time. I can just whip them up and they're done. So let me know those things down below in the comment section. I love to hear from you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.